Good evening, students. Today in this video we will discuss about some Python problems, and these problems can help to the ninth and 10th both graders. Let's start now. Problem 1. Problem 1 is given in a numerical format. So in this format, firstly we will check to calculate the result, which is the first processing symbol, and the first processing symbol is double star. This is called a power symbol, or you can speak exponential symbol. Now exponential symbol has a one property: if it is given two times in one program. So in that case, firstly it will start processing from right to left side. Firstly it will process 3 raised to power 2, that is 9. So in step 1 it will become 2 star star 9. In next step star star will calculate, it will become 5 1 2. After that multiply will process, and finally plus and minus will process, and the result will be 652. Next is 24 divided by 4 plus 25 percentage 3 and 2 star star 2. The highest priority symbol is star star. Firstly it will calculate, the result will be 4. The result of this statement will be 1 because it is a remainder symbol or modulo symbol, and the result of this will be 6. So 6 plus 1 plus 4, the output will be 11. Next problem, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, and the value of print a plus b is 15. Print a minus b is 5. Print a star b is 50. Print a divide b is 2.0. Print a percentage b is, it is remainder. 10 divided by 5, remainder will be 0. And print a star star b, 10 raised to power 5, it will be 1 lakh. Next statement is print welcome star 2, and welcome in double commas, so it is a string. Only string can multiply with numeric value, otherwise plus, divide, minus is not possible. So when we will multiply welcome with 2, it will print 2 times welcome without any space. Problem 3, print in single comma Montfort is given, in single comma world is given, in single comma school is given, and in between plus symbol is given, and plus symbol is called a concatenation symbol. It will merge all the output, and it is possible in case of string only. So the output will be Montfort world school. Problem 4, a equal to Montfort, it is also a string. B is equal to world, it is also a string. And C is equal to school, it is also a string. So when we are taking the print out, print A, B, C, SCP. SCP is a separation operation. It will give the space between the value of A, B and C. So the output will be, firstly A will be print Montfort, then space, then B will be print world, then space, then C will be print school. Now next is print str123 scp and space is given. So firstly str is string, it will be print as usual. After that comma, before comma scp will work, separation will work. It will separate by this space, and next value will be 123. Next is print str123 scp equal to between. What will happen? Firstly str will print, then scp part will be processed, and then 12 will be printed. So output will be str between and 123. Problem 5, a is equal to awesome, b is equal to 1 to 3. So the result of a plus b will be, generally a plus b is addition operation, but here the values are string, so it is a concatenation operator, and the result will be awesome 1 2 3. It will merge both the values. Next is print a comma b. When we are taking the value in commas, print a comma b, there will be a single space between two values, so awesome space and 1 2 3. Next problem, a equal to 120, b is equal to 150. Here we are not taking if statement. Without if statement, what we are writing a greater than b. It will check the condition and give the result true or false. Here a is less than b, so result will be false. If you are taking a less than b, result will be true. If you will take a double equal to b, it is comparison, it is not equal, so result will be false. Next problem, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. If x greater than 5, then the output will be x is greater, otherwise the output will be y is greater. So as per this program, x is small than y, so the output will be y is greater. This is the output. Problem 8, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 20. Now if we have used if x less than y, then output will be welcome India. Otherwise the output will be pleasure by India. So x is less than y, so the output will be welcome India. Next, problem 9, n equal to 2 for x in range 4, print n. And last statement is outside the 4, because if it will be out with for loop, it will be on this situation. It will start from here, but it is starting from here, so it is the part outside the for loop. So print statement will print the value of n. How many times? X will work from 0 to 3, because range function will take the value from less than 4, and from less than 4 value will be 0 to 3. It will print the value of n 4 times, and the value is 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now see the difference here. It is outside the for loop, and in this problem it is along with the for loop. See the difference now. When it will calculate the value for x of 0, it will print the value of n, then 2. And for next statement, it will calculate 2 multiplied by 10 plus 2. It is 22 for value of 1. It is 222 for value of 2. It is 4 times 2 value of 3. So there is a major difference. Problem 11. It is to calculate the simple interest of any amount. Enter the principal, enter the rate of interest, enter the time, and formula is simple interest equal to principal star rate star time divided by 100, and print simple interest. So output will be, firstly it will ask for enter the principal amount, that is 15,000. Next is enter the rate of interest, that is 6.5, and enter the time 2. So the output will be 1950 as per this formula, and print SI will be print the final output. Next is problem 12. Enter the number. This program is related to find the number is even or odd. Firstly we will enter the number, then we have print the number what we have entered. Now if n will be divided by 2 and the remainder will be 0, so the number is even, otherwise the number is odd. In this program we have enter the number 125, the number is 125, and the remainder is n percentage 2, because the remainder is 1, else part will be 1, so remainder is 1 and the number is odd. Next is problem 13, I equal to 1 for I in range 1, 10 plus 1. So it will start with value 1 and it will work till 10. So it will print the value of I from 1 to 10 continuously. Output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next is problem 14, to calculate the table of any number. N equal to integer input, enter the number, and range function will work from 1 to 10. So the output will be processed by using for loop 10 times. Every time output will be n multiplied by I, and the value of I will be changed from 1 to 10. So output will be 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 8 3 ja. It will print 8 10 ja 80. Next is program using while loop. The program using while loop will be same. Only difference is there. In range function we need not to change the value of I, it is changing automatically. But in while function the value of I need to be changed, and it will change the value again and again. So we need to write I equal to 1 while I is less than 11. It means it will work till it is less than 11. So value of I will be from 1 to 10. It will multiply again and again, and every time it is increasing the value of I is equal to I plus 1. So the output will be 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja till 14 10 ja. Problem 16, n is equal to enter the number, sum is equal to 0, 4 is equal to I in range 1 to n plus 1, and sum is equal to sum plus I. This program is used to calculate the sum of digit of number. In this program we are going to calculate the sum of digit of number. So the value will start from 1 to n. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 9 plus 10. So it will calculate the sum of 1 to 10. So the output will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, and the final output will be 55. Next is problem 17. It is related to the factorial of any number. By default the factorial of any number is 1. So enter any number. We are going to enter any number that we are going to enter. That number will be calculated, and number should be greater than 0. So the value will be f is equal to f star n, and every time n will be increased and the factorial will calculate. That will be as per the number. It is 120 of value 5. Problem number 18. Next program is related to the find the largest number out of 10 number A, B and C. Firstly we will enter the value of A, then we will enter the value of B, then we will enter the value of C. When A will be greater, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So number is A is largest number. In second case, B is greater than A and B is greater than C. In that case, number is B is largest number. And in third case, print C is the largest number. So firstly we will enter the value of A, B and C. The value is 156, 456 and 254. And as per given program, second condition satisfies, so output will be B is the largest number. Problem 20. In this problem, three values A, B and C are given. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 28.65 and C is equal to 123. A is a decimal value and type function is used to calculate the type of data. So type of data is integer for decimal value. So output will be class integer. And for type of value of B, it is decimal plus decimal place is it is of float type class. And for third type of data, it is of single quote and single quote is always called string value. By using type function, we can calculate the type of data of any particular variable. In this video, we have discussed some limited program related to the Python. We can do more practice, but these are the basic concepts that are used in the programming of Python. If you are you are facing any query, you are facing any problem, you can personally contact to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.